You want a glueless wig, but it's too expensive?
You damn skippy.
Well, look at here. I'm gonna show you how to make your own U-part lace frontal. Let's go.
Go, sis.
Okay, on your capless lace frontal cap, you're gonna mark where you want your hairline at and connect the dots. If your cap is too big, you're gonna flap it down, you're gonna sew it. Alright? Then you're gonna take the plastic off the capless cap and you're gonna put a net on it and sew it down.
Okay.
Okay, after you crochet the hair onto the net, you're gonna get your ventilation needle and you're gonna start making your lace frontal right here. Once you first start off, you're gonna have different hair strands. It's gonna be spacey. It's gonna look, not consistent.
Girl, just show me how to do it.
Okay, this is how you ventilate on a lace wig using the 1 to 2 strand ventilation needle. Slide your needle through one hole, place your hair strands in the needle and turn it upside down so when you pull it through the hole. Make sure you be careful because you do not want to tear the lace. Wrap the hair around the needle twice and then pull the needle through the hole like how you would do when you crochet in the hair.
Girl, this look tedious. You need to give me a tip or something.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a tip. When you pull the hair through the hole, make sure you have a lot of tension. Pull it very tight from one end to the next so it can stay nice and straight and smooth. So once you pull it through this hole right here, you can really be able to see exactly what you're doing so you can create that loop. Alright?
Alright.
It might be frustrating at first to try to get the technique, but keep going. You will get it, and once you get it, you'll be very happy.
Oh, girl, you did that. And you got low. You cut layers too?
Yeah, girl. I cut layers in it so it can frame my face. Stay tuned for how to cut your own layers in the near future. But this is the headband I use. I had to put it in half because the band was too thin for my liking, so I had to double it up. And I'm going to show you how to put the elastic band on your glueless wig so it can stay nice and secure on your head. Make sure you don't sew it on the neck because you don't want to rip it. Alright, follow for more. Thanks for watching.
You just saved my life. Thank you, girl.